Hi and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a sparse matrix in Python. Sparse data with a few non-zero values are common in data science, which is why we need to represent it efficiently with a compressed sparse matrix without using large amounts of memory or storage space. To learn how to represent a sparse matrix using Python, first we need to import the numpy library like this. Import numpy as np. Then we need to import the sparse module from the scipy library. From scipy, import sparse. Now we will create a simple example of a sparse matrix using the array function from numpy. Sparse data equals np.array, then we enter the data. And we display this sparse matrix by typing its name, sparse_data. As we see, this matrix contains a few non-zero values, so saving it in this form is not efficient. The more efficient way is to create a compressed matrix by eliminating the zero values but preserving the original matrix configuration. To create an efficient sparse matrix, we can use the function csr_matrix from the sparse module of the scipy library. Remember that we have imported the sparse module at the beginning of this Jupyter notebook. The sparse matrix can be created like this. Let's name the new matrix sparse_matrix, which equals to sparse.csr_matrix. Then we pass the original matrix for this function, which is sparse_data. To display the created sparse matrix, we can use the print function. Print, then we pass inside the parentheses the name of the sparse matrix, which is sparse_matrix. As you see, the matrix is saved very efficiently, saving only the non-zero values along with their positions in the original matrix. For example, here it is stated that in the first column we have only one non-zero value, which is the value 1, with the position 0, 1. Which means the first row and second column, which correspond with this value here in the original matrix. One useful task in sparse matrices is to count the non-zero values in the sparse matrix. To do so, we can use the function count_non-zero, and we apply it like this. First, we type the name of the sparse matrix, which is sparse_matrix, then dot count_non-zero. Then we run the cell. As you see in the output, the function returned 3, meaning that there are only 3 non-zero values in the sparse matrix. We can also convert the sparse matrix back to its original form with the zero values using the function toArray, and we apply it like this. First, we make a new matrix with the name regular and make it equal to sparse_matrix dot then the function toArray, and we display the regular matrix by typing its name. As you see in the output, we converted the sparse matrix to its original form. With this, we finished this video, where you learned how to create a compressed sparse matrix for sparse data with a few non-zero values. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.